Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix League of Legends Vanguard error ban 84. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go and search and write view network connections here, then find your internet connection, right click on it, then go to properties, scroll down until you see Internet Protocol version 6 and disable this option, and then go to Internet Protocol version 4. And then select use the following DNS server addresses, and then you can write Google DNS server. Google DNS server is 8.8.8.8 and on preferred, and on alternate 8.8.4.4. Also, you can use Cloudflare servers, and Cloudflare servers is here should be 1.1.1.1, and on alternate it can be 1.0.0.1. Then what you need to do here, apply the changes and restart your computer. Look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, I have another solution for you. Again, go and search, go to installed apps. On install apps, you need to look for Vanguard. Of course, make sure on system tray there is no Vanguard, and also Valorant or League of Legends is not running on your computer. And then you just need to look for Vanguard, write Vanguard, press 3 dots and install. Wait until an installation process is done here by pressing yes, and you just need to wait until an installation process is done. Then open up Riot Client, go to League of Legends and install Vanguard again. Don't worry, your file size will not be 14 gigabytes because I have additional updates. It for you should be up to 100 megabytes, okay? And basically install a Vanguard to your computer. And after installation is done, you probably should get this message here that your system requires to restart. So you can simply restart it, or you can go to services here, then click on one of the tasks here and press V until you see VGC. Then you just need to right click on it, go to properties, startup type, make it automatic, and then service status should be running. So press start and wait for a couple of seconds here until it's done. Apply OK. Next step, what you need to do here, on search you just need to write system configuration here. Then you need to go to services here and then look for press hide all Microsoft services, and then you just need to here look for VGC and make sure it's enabled. And then restart your computer, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, go to system information, look for your basically motherboard manufacturer right here. Then what you need to do here is to open a browser, and then you just need to write enable TPM 2.0 and write your motherboard name. And then you need to learn how to enable TPM 2.0 on BIOS with your motherboard. There's plenty of videos showing you step by step how you can do that. And then you just need to open BIOS and enable TPM 2.0, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.